Hi, this is Ilya from Bitskout, and in this video I wanted to show you how to extract so-called dynamic tables from PDF files into Monday.com sub-items using Bitskout and Integromat. So the idea here is that sometimes you have files that are generated by external systems where you have a so-called dynamic table. So this table in this case it's a test order form where there is a buyer and then there are patients, and this happens dynamically. So it can be 3 patients or 5 patients or 1 patient and etc. So, and because in Monday there is no dynamic forms where you can add items, that situation can happen. And the key here is that we want to convert this table into sub-items of the order. And that's what we're gonna achieve. So first thing that happens is that we need to extract the table from the PDF document in this case, and that's what we're gonna do. Bitskout extracts tables from documents in form of CSV files, and what we're gonna do once the data is extracted using CSV format, as you can see it's already done, what we're gonna do is we're gonna use Integromat to grab this data and populate sub-items, which is what we are looking for in this case. But additionally, what happens here is that there are two workflows executed. One is called extract tables, and once it's finished its execution, we set the status to extract order data. So we'll make a succession of different workflows working with the same file. And then we extract order data, some extra data that we need, for example, order ID, etc. But now what happens is, like, we have our table, and we can trigger Integromat scenario in this case. So I'm going to run it here. And this scenario basically takes the information from a column and then creates 3 sub-items for the number of patients that we have. So let's see how it's done. And here we have. So now we have this mapped. You can use this in different scenarios. You can use, for example, jot forms to create a dynamic forms that will generate the PDF, load the PDF to a Dropbox, and then trigger another Integromat and load the Dropbox file here. There are different ways, but the point is, like, with help of Bitskout and its table extraction functionality, you can get those tables, map them into a field, and then do the next action with them. So thanks a lot for your time, and I hope it was useful. All the details how we set it up in Integromat and Bitskout will be published in a blog. Thank you.